This is how we put together a ThunderVak version 2. First step, take everything out of the bin. Got a few little pieces. Alright. So step one, you grab the top, line it up, put that right in. Grab your top, put it here on your working space. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws on here to undo. Grab the motor, turn these off. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grab this. Grab your motor. Put your top back on your working space. Grab your motor. Put it on. Pull this line up. Grab your screws. Pull those right back on. Onto the bottom here. One. 2. 3. And 4. Flip the top over. Grab your little Ziploc bag with all your little tools in here. And then tighten these bolts that you just put on. 2, 3, and 4. Now, in your tool set, you'll see a small size Allen key that you're going to need. Now, on here you have a little screw. What you'll notice is that this motor here has a flat edge right here. So you want to come line the screw up with that to put it on and tighten. Okay. So I'll line that up. Oops. Turn that clockwise. That sits nicely on that machine. Take this. Now, I'll be lining this up, this hole here, with the chute. 4 slots that fit in, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then simply twist. Come grab your door, slide that right in. Come grab the chute. Now for the chute, you have to lift up the door. You line up the first 2, line up the other 2, and that simply slides and locks into place. Now you have your controller unit. In your controller unit, you have a bar here that you want to come and line up right here on this side of the machine with the bar. Simply click that right in. Plug in your green with your green, your red with your red, and this right here will be for your power. So here's my extension cord, plugging it right in. And there you have it. That's how you mount a ThunderVak 2. Notice here you have your speed